Hello everyone, I'm Sanjay, your host for the show, The Sanjay Podcast. Hello, welcome back to another episode of The Sanjay Podcast, and I am your host Sanjay. Today's topic is all our questions received about chemical engineering. So, basically, the first question was, what is my JEE journey? Starting my JEE journey, like all others, I had to had only option MPC or BPC. So I have selected MPC, and then I selected the college, which was my main branch where I studied in 10th class. I went there. Let us name some X institute. Now in that institute, I and let us name some of my friends. I can't use their real names, so let me name one Raju, Ravi. So I, Raju, Ravi, and some others went to that college. Basically, in my JEE story, Raju and Ravi are only the main characters. At the start, Raju was sent to another branch, and I, Ravi, were in the same hostel room. Now, Ravi, I was separate when first section shifting happened. I was in first section and Ravi was in another section. Now, I got some new friends. Let us name them Rahul. Now, Rahul were so much close and like spending all day having fun. But Rahul already knows what all are taught here, but I don't know what was taught. So I was enjoying with him and didn't study. Now, when the first unit results came, I and Rahul was in first section, but I went to fifth section, where Ravi was in. Now Ravi was in second section. So I went to fifth section. I was demotivated and felt like I am fit for nothing. But where Raju from another branch came to this branch, and I and Raju were in the same section. Now again, I, Raju, and some other of new friends were having so much fun in class, and without even knowing, my first year was completed. Now in the second year, lockdown came, and I studied from YouTube. To be frank, I studied from Vedantu JEE YouTube channel, where my favorite teachers like Mohit Ran and Arvind Kalia sir were working, and I felt so much happy from learning them. They have not only taught me about JEE and also taught me many classes about life. I will tell more about these in my story time series. If you want them, please let me know on my Instagram at the rate Mr. Sanjay Malladi. Now coming back to the topic, when these happened in first attempt was okay. My first attempt was okay, and when it came to second attempt, I was trying hard. In third, fourth attempt, I have luckily secured my seat in NIT Andhra Pradesh Chemical with all support of my YouTube teachers, parents, and my self-determination. Remaining that story, I will tell you in my story time series. Now, when it is coming to the second question, mostly I have received is, why did you choose chemical engineering? Actually, to be frank, I didn't even know what is chemical engineering before joining NIT Andhra Pradesh, before JOSA counseling. So, I was very passionate about joining CSC or securing seat in CSC. But fortunately or unfortunately, I don't know, but the seats of for my rank, I didn't get any CSC seat. So, I should have take any other branch. I have only option. So when I was researching about all other branch, I found out that this chemical branch is such a branch which was also known as the mother of all branches, because all important topics in other branches are taught in chemical engineering. This will help in learning about other branches. Also, I came to know that in chemical engineering there will be a lot free time than when compared to other branches. This will help you to understand, which will help me to invest my time in CSC. So I thought about it and took a wild decision that okay, I will join CSC, because didn't have any interest in ECE mechanical. So the option left was only chemical. So I told I will study chemical. So my father also accepted me and joined me in chemical. Now many of me ask how to manage CSC and other branch, any other branch, non-technical branch. So basically as I already told you, I am passionate about chemical engineering. I frequently tend to learn about CSC more. I am also thinking to start that about CSC topics also. If you are interested, let me know. Now I am interested in learning CSC, so I research about them. Recently I have come to know that Elon Musk released his OpenAI, which can now turn natural language into Python, which was very amazing, and I have tried today and I was shocked by the results. It was not too accurate, but yeah, it can convert a normal person's program. Recently one person in YouTube has created another AI which can create many other AIs using OpenAI's natural language to Python, which was like amazing. Now as these were some newses I have read in recent times, I also learn many things like C, Python, C++, some other courses also I do. Now how to manage time means, in your branch you will have something related to CSE. It's for sure that some or the other thing is related to CSE in our branches, like designing or something else which you might know in your branch. Basically in our branch, CSC plays major roles in some parts like designing, graphing, computation, etc. So we should like tend to learn about them using CSC, which will help you both. Also you can learn many things now. YouTube is a big platform where everything is available for free. You can learn anything. This will enhance your learning skills also. Now another question comes is, should you choose a private college CSC or a government college non-CSE branch? As I told you, I was passionate in CSE, but I chose NIT because private colleges doesn't offer a brand which NIT offers. See, if I tell you I am from some Y college doing CSE, or I tell you I am an NITian of chemical engineering, which makes you more impact? Chemical or CSE doesn't make impact. The Y college or NIT, that makes your thought process think, oh, he studies well, oh, he doesn't studies well, or something else. Basically the brand makes more impact on you than this. But it completely depends upon your decision whether to join a private college or a national institute. But my opinion is, if you join a national institute, you will get a brand which will help you or give you more value when you go to foreign countries. Another most frequently asked question is, how does chemical differ or compete with other branches? As I already mentioned, chemical engineering is mother of all branches. Or if we say, in 1990s, I think, I don't remember it clearly, when India didn't even have the IT sector, the only sector which helped India to grow was chemical industry. This is not my statement. It was actually given by American Chemical Association. Also, if you know, most of the famous Indian personalities in chemical engineering are, the cricket commentator Harsha Bogle, he is a chemical engineer. Also, India's richest, or might be now second richest, Mukesh Ambani is also a chemical engineer. There are many personalities who are chemical engineers and achieved many things. Now you might think, what are opportunities where a chemical engineer could do? Now recently one private company has launched rockets from India. There he needs fuel means chemicals. So a chemical engineer should design that fuel of a rocket which will be cost effective. Now hydrogen fuel plants are there where they become cost effective, but they are dangerous too at the same time. So you should develop such fuels which will help rockets to fly. Or now there is biggest brand Tesla, you might all have listened, EV's biggest company. Now this company needs lithium ion to make their batteries, but lithium ion is only found 3% on Earth's surface. Now there should be an alternative for lithium which must be cost effective as well as efficiency must be more. So people are finding for that. You can help in there. And many sectors, like might be many of my audience might watch cricket or football. You might have seen the predictions for cricket or football. They all basically work upon chemical engineering. Now what, how a ball turns, how the air will make the ball to spin. Basically cricket predicting or football matches predicting or anything related to predicting is also designed by chemical engineers. Now when it comes to some stereotypes in engineering, they may tell your branch, if your branch does not exist, engineering won't exist. But I think that statement is wrong, because every branch coordination is important to create any revolutionary product. Now let us take example like laptop or mobile phone. If laptop is required, first an electrical engineer needs to design circuits, place the processors and all that hardware stuff. When a mechanical engineer comes, he should design the material that should be used for that process. When a CSC person comes, he should design the operating system or the software system. When a chemical engineer comes, he should design the battery. And when a metallurgy person comes, he should design the ore that is required to extract that battery. Like that, everyone or the other is dependent to make a product. So that stereotype sentence that you, without your branch engineering does not exist, is wrong. It should either be said like this, that your branch should be combined with other branches to create a revolution. Now laptop is a revolution. Chargers, phones, backpacks, anything in your room or any product that should be created requires all branches together, directly or indirectly. Now you might get another doubt, why again he is recording about chemical engineering. The point is, I asked many of my other branch friends to give an interview, but they are not ready to give an interview. So I thought, okay, let me only do my interview, which will be a showcase example for them. Now it comes to top recruiters of chemical engineering. SAIL, Steel Authority of India; BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited; JAIL, Gas Authority of India Limited; ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation; Reliance, etc.